Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Milwaukee Unibit is probably one of the most versatile and time-saving tools for any serious DIYer or professional contractor, boasting a wide range of applications from woodworking and metalworking to plastic and other materials. This video will provide an in-depth review of its features, performance, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right addition to your workshop. Number 5. MulWark M35 Cobalt Step Drill Bit Set. This comprehensive set is perfect for various applications. It includes multiple step drill bits to handle a wide range of materials and hole sizes. It features various step sizes, ideal for electronics, machinery assembly, and industrial equipment. You'll find the perfect bit for every job. Made from premium M35 high-speed steel, they can withstand hours of continuous drilling on tough materials. It maintains peak performance, reducing downtime. The durable aluminum nitride coating provides superior heat resistance. This means it stays sharp even after drilling hundreds of holes. The self-centering design allows for rapid hole positioning. Its compatibility with industrial power tools increases productivity. The 4-flute spiral design efficiently clears chips. It works seamlessly across various applications, from HVAC to plumbing. What we like. It has a wide range of sizes to fit various needs, and it's built to last through tough jobs. The superior coating ensures it maintains sharpness even after drilling hundreds of holes. If you're a professional working on demanding projects, this is the perfect choice for you. Number 4. Milwaukee 48-89-9209 Step Drill Bit. This innovative bit makes drilling precise holes effortless. Its unique design ensures accuracy and control, saving you time and frustration. It features two convenient sizes, 7/8" and 1/1/8", to handle a variety of tasks. You'll always have the right size on hand. Designed for cordless drills, it performs exceptionally well at high speeds. Get the job done quickly and efficiently. Clear reference marks make it simple to stop at the exact hole size you need. No more guesswork or inaccurate drilling. The 3-flat secure grip design minimizes slippage, providing superior control and precision. Enjoy a safer and more comfortable drilling experience. It's built to the exacting standards you expect from Milwaukee. This bit is durable and reliable, ready to tackle your toughest projects. What we like. This bit is perfect for quick, precise work in cordless drills. The clear markings make choosing the right size a breeze. If you need a reliable step bit for frequent use in a cordless drill, this is a great option. What people say. This step drill works extremely well. Compared to inexpensive ones like the ones that you get from Harbor Freight, this step drill is not even in the same category. It works super well. I have been using this step drill bit for the past few weeks on metal elec boxes. It works as well now as it did out of the box. This is a super quality product. Based on the options available from Amazon and other local vendors, I decided to do with this one. It works well, far better than the cheaper options. If you plan on using it more than once, then just buy a quality bit the first time. Such as this, you'll save money in the long run, not to mention you're saving yourself from the added frustration of a junk bit. Use oil if you want it to last. Number 3. Milwaukee 48-89-9212 Step Bit. This step bit is designed for ease of use and effortless handling, making your work simpler. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable and controlled operation, reducing strain during extended use. It's built to last. This tool is made from high-quality materials for long-lasting performance and reliability. It easily handles a wide range of drilling needs with its adjustable size, from 7/8" to 1/3/8". Get clean, accurate holes every time. It delivers consistent results for professional-looking finishes. You can trust it. This step bit is backed by Milwaukee's reputation for quality and innovation. What we like. It's designed for simple handling and long-lasting performance. If you value ease of use and durability, this is a solid choice for your projects. What people say. I struggled with some cheap HF step drills. They were smoking and not cutting the stainless I was trying to drill. Ordered up this bit and had a clean hole for a disposal switch cut in 2.6 seconds. Put this step bit to work immediately and it cut through 1980s automotive sheet metal like butter. If you use these on a regular basis, this is worth it. The cheap versions are just that. Number 2. Milwaukee 48-89-9224 Step Bit Set. This 6-piece step bit set from Milwaukee is designed for ease of use and effortless handling. It's perfect for various applications. It's built to last. This set is highly durable, ensuring long-term performance and reliability. This set includes 6 step bits, covering sizes number 1, number 4, number 6, number 7, number 8, and number 9. You'll be prepared for a wide range of projects. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable and easy to handle, even during extended use. You'll appreciate the smooth operation. From woodworking to metalworking, it's versatile enough to tackle a variety of materials. It's a must-have for any toolbox. You can trust the Milwaukee name for quality and performance. This set is a testament to that commitment. What we like. This set provides a variety of sizes for different tasks, all while maintaining ease of use and durability. If you need a convenient set of step bits for various applications, this is a great option. What people say. Item works beautifully and clears out the metal as you drill. Excellent quality. I am an electric IM on the side and this kit handles all needs for adding punch-out holes in breaker boxes. These hold up very well so far. Number 1. Milwaukee 10-piece Step Drill Bit Kit. This kit is a must-have for any serious DIYer or professional. It's incredibly versatile and efficient. Let's take a look inside. You'll find 10 high-quality step drill bits, ready to tackle any project. These bits are made from durable, high-speed steel, ensuring long-lasting performance and precision. From woodworking to metalworking, it handles a wide range of materials with ease. It's perfect for various tasks. Experience smooth, clean cuts every time. It makes drilling quick and easy, saving you time and effort. Everything you need is included in this convenient kit. It comes ready to use straight out of the box. What we like. It comes with everything you need to get started, making it a convenient and comprehensive solution. If you're looking for a complete step drill bit solution, this kit is a great place to start. What people say. Great step bits and nice having some standard bits as well. Perfect for when needed. As an apprentice electrician, I believe my production will increase after using this set. I needed to get a 3/4 hole. I have never used a step drill bit before and I was astonished with the speed with which this bit worked. Initially, the first step was typical speed when drilling steel, however, once the second diameter began to cut, the hole just opened up. Impressive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.